Got my tail lights old as hell. Got to power wash them. Clean them up. Alright. Got them sprayed off and power wash. Cleaned them up a little bit. It's a sunny day today. We're gonna let them bake in the sun. Top right. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all get the picture. Alright, we back. Got the 78 Malibu tail lights. Power washed them. Cleaned the back. Y'all see we about to go on and mask it off. Put a fresh coat of black on there. Mask them off again. Put a fresh coat of silver on top. Then we're gonna clear coat. Alright, working on the tail lights. You can see the silver done faded. So I got my paint and my brush. Touching them up. Touching them up. You see the difference? It's all in the details. See that? Boom. See that? No silver stripe. Silver stripe. It's gonna look a whole lot better when I'm done. Y'all stay tuned. Got the trim painted on there. Boom, 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 boom. Now we masking off the inside. We're gonna mask that off. Mask all of that off, and we're gonna hit the outside with that black. When that black dry, we're gonna mask everything off. Razor blade the tape off, and we're gonna hit it with some more of that silver. Then after that done, we're gonna unmask everything and we're gonna hit it with that clear. Yes, sir. Coming together. Got the lights masked up. Got them masked up. Got them masked up. Boom, 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 boom. About to hit them with the black. Let's go. Got the black on there, y'all can see. I'm probably gonna hit them with one more coat. Then I'm gonna clear coat. Got him dead. Hit him with the clear. I was gonna go silver right there, but you know, since I'm doing the gold touches and that kind of match with my pen striping, I went on ahead and went gold for the outline. Hit it with the clear and voila.